Here are 5 things that I would start doing today if my gut was in a state of dis-ease. Hi, my name is Kimberly McIntyre. I'm a nutrition and wellness coach, and gut health is my specialty. And the reason is because I know that if we have a well-functioning gut, we have a well-functioning body. Your gut hosts more bacteria than you have human cells, and there is a direct connection from the gut to the brain. We produce more serotonin in the gut than we do in the brain. Happiness, when we get those butterflies. By the way, do you get butterflies? If you don't ever get butterflies, this is an indicator that some nutrients aren't in place. Did you know that? Butterflies come from the body functioning optimally. I literally sit down in the morning and I look in my backyard and I get butterflies. I feel so good and vivacious. Part of that is because of the relationship that I have with the Lord and that Holy Spirit inside. The other part is having those nutrients plugged in that are giving me what I need to feel amazing. The reason why I care so much about health and I'm here is because I want to help people really understand this connection of bad moods, not having that happiness inside. Those can be connected to not having the nutrients that we need to be able to have those serotonin levels and dopamine and epinephrine and those neurotransmitters, and all of those are linked to hormone function and healthy thyroid and everything. And by the way, we are one body that functions as a whole. Here in America, we have broken it up into parts, and we have the cardiologist, and we have the GP, have the oncologist. If one organ is not functioning properly, the entire body is not functioning properly. That particular organ just happens to be the one that is screaming the loudest. And also know, I am fully aware that there are levels here. We cannot compare someone with H. pylori and what they need to do, someone with severe diverticulitis and Crohn's disease, to someone who has a little bit of leaky gut. There is a spectrum. The amount of supplements that you have to take, the amount of the food, the amount of that healing protocol could look very different. And I am not a doctor. I am sharing information that I have learned through my coaching programs, my certifications, testimonials, the way I've seen it play out in my own life and others around me. The lining of the gut. Oh, let me give a little visual. I can't find the cheesecloth. I think that I have enough things here to give you a good representation of what we're talking about. Permeability, and there's levels, right? So if we were to try and strain some chunky something through this, it is only gonna let the liquid through. It's gonna hold everything in except for the liquid, and that would be a good representation of nutrients, because our body should be breaking down the food. It should be just obliterating it to the chyme and it just going into the bloodstream as nutrients to nourish the body. And I feel like this would be more indicative of the gut lining, where it is going to let just the right amount of liquid in. This strainer, which is going to let a lot more in. So if this was your lining, it's going to let chunks in, and they become very irritating over time, very scratchy to the system. And this is where leaky gut comes in. And as that becomes more permeable, you start to feel it. And that's bloating, inflammation, and it can even be a burning sensation, a state of dis-ease. To get that lining to seal, we have to change what is going on and also what is coming into the body. That is caused from a poor diet, high in processed foods. Those processed foods are incredibly irritating to the gut lining. Also alcohol, it is a hormone disruptor causing gut dysfunction, and also medication, because medication is a blocker for many nutrients, and so you're not getting the nutrients that you need. Chronic stress, which I actually would put at the top of the list, can cause the body really to shut down and peristalsis to stop. Most of the time, when people are constipated and they can't heal from that constipation no matter what they do, it is a direct cause from stress. Think about it. You're holding on to things, maybe some unforgiveness, anger, and the body's going to hold on to what is inside internally. let's talk about food first. So we might have to back off of some of the things that are optimal for a healthy gut to stay healthy. You might not be able to get all of those fibrous foods that I talk about and that I love because your body is not ready for that. This is a great time for juicing because that is pure nutrients. We are getting a shot of nutrients that the body can't deflect because it doesn't have to break it down. So there's a time and place for juicing. This isn't how we want to live, but to repair, this can be a great idea. And there are a lot of really good juicing books out there that tell you how to do it and how to put together the right ingredients to get the results that you want. This is also a great time for smoothies. Smoothies are like pre-fermented. They've already been broken down by the machine. Trying to get the body to not have to work on digestion is hard because digestion is compromised. We can't get the body to digest if it's not working. So we first want to fill it with the nutrients it needs to start working again. We can also add steamed vegetables that are nutritious. We still are chewing and the digestive system has to work, but it doesn't have to work hard. And you want to make sure that you're staying away from excess sugar. I would say no processed sugar whatsoever, no artificial additives, and seed oils. Get rid of the seed oil. We have got to start supporting the digestive process, and digestion actually starts here with your eyes as we start to see that food and those juices start to form in your mouth. And if you think about it, when I say the word Sour Patch Kids or peaches or lemons, my mouth is already watering. That is your body's way of getting ready for digestion. And then when it does come in the mouth, we have amylase and other enzymes that are helping to break down that food starting in the mouth. But if you have been on a high processed diet, lots of alcohol, lots of stress, the enzymes aren't there. And so right there, starting in the mouth, the food isn't even breaking down. So we have got to start repairing the breakdown process. This is why methylation is compromised and the body is not absorbing, and you're paying all that money for all of that amazing food that's organic and on point, but your body can't even digest it. So let's get it digesting, get some really good enzymes, and my favorite are Bioptimizers. They're Masszymes. And back in the day, I absolutely loved Garden of Life because something that is missing from our food system is the microbes that are in the soil that help with the probiotics and the gut flora. And they had the most amazing digestive enzymes, but since Jordan Rubin sold the company, it's been sold 2 or 3 times. I think Nestle owns it now. And I personally don't trust it, but really do miss that combination because it was on point, amazing. Another great thing from Bioptimizers are the probiotics, and those probiotics are going to help with digestion as well. They're going to help the good guys grow, and the more good guys we have, the less bad guys we have. And then their magnesium, which is fantastic. Magnesium is responsible for over 300 functions in the body. And my last video, I had some people comment and they said, you know, we just don't really know if you're just here to sell a product or if you're for real. Just a side note to let you know how I operate, because I have been so concerned that I would come across like a used car salesman, and my husband was one, so I can say that. I try things, they work. I sell them in my coaching practice. My clients use them. I hear back. They're buying them for years on end. They're no longer my clients anymore. They've graduated my program. They're still buying them because they work. And then I think, oh, well then why don't I become an affiliate and tell you guys about it because they work? Same thing that happened with Azure Standard. I decided to try Azure Standard and I'm like, well, I'm going to tell people about this, so I might as well sign up for their affiliate program because this is how I make money and I can stay here on this platform. I am not here to give a sales pitch. I'm here to help you, and these things are truly my heart and they work. I'm not just here to give a sales pitch. But magnesium is responsible for over 300 functions in the body. It's crazy. It's responsible for energy. It's responsible for digestion. So it helps with the digestion healing process. Magnesium is one of the top deficiencies in the country, and so you might want to plug that in. And I do have my link and discount code in the description. Some of you have had a hard time finding that. It is right under this video, and you just kind of read that little excerpt and you click more, and then all of the information pops up with my links and codes. No matter what, you need quality enzyme. A lot of them out there are junk. You need a quality probiotic. Please do not buy the one that's in the refrigerator, because if that probiotic has to be refrigerated to survive, it's not going to survive the stomach acid and get down in the intestines where it needs to get. You want to buy one that doesn't need refrigeration for those to survive. And you also want to make sure that that company has tested them, not just in the lab, but also outside of the lab. And Bioptimizers has done that, which is one of the reasons why I really stand behind them. And I love their products and they work for me. I would intentionally add foods that help to repair the gut lining. Super important. Collagen-rich bone broth at the top of that list. And just put it in a mug, maybe warm it up on the stove a little bit so that it's nice and soothing. Drink it however you want. Cultured dairy is another one if you can tolerate it. The big thing with dairy is people are going for conventional and they're going for dairy that's not raw. It is the difference between night and day. Once they pasteurize, once they homogenize, those nutrients are gone, and those healing properties, those probiotics, those things that are really going to help you, they're gone. So go for the raw, cultured, and getting that good kefir and quality Greek or Bulgarian, even better, probiotic rich yogurt. If you can tolerate some ferments, they're amazing. Some good sauerkraut, kimchi, things like that. But go slow with that, because it depends on where you are in this process on how well you'll be able to tolerate it. Coconut products are amazing, and most people do well with them because they are very gentle on digestion. Some coconut kefir, excellent. There's great coconut yogurts out there as well. Just eating coconut in general, coconut oil, quality, again, coconut milk, fabulous thing. If you're getting quality, make sure that there's no additives. There only needs to be coconut and water, and that is it. When the gut is compromised, we need nourishment to support rebuilding. We have got to calm the nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system is where rest and digestion take place. So if you are not getting into that parasympathetic nervous system, it's not going to happen. And we are in a grab and go world. Everything is quick. We've got to hurry up. We have got to take this back, and it's a self-discipline. It is a discipline that we've got to put in place. So we have to calm the nervous system. We are hit with so many stressors. You have to be somewhere at a certain time. You have overloaded your schedule. You're not getting enough vitamin D. You're not getting out in the sun. You're not breathing. You're not taking the time to relax. All these things are coming at us, and we've got to protect our time. We've got to set boundaries, and we have got to calm that nervous system. I have people come to me all the time, and they will say, I have tried everything. And I look at their journals, their food journals. I look at their lifestyle. They haven't done all the things. So these are some of the most important things. Deep breathing changes everything, and it immediately puts us into that parasympathetic nervous system. So there's several different types of breathing, and they are all beneficial for one reason or another. Getting you into that parasympathetic nervous system is so relaxing. It feels so good. You got to start taking the time to do the things to repair. I don't have the money. You're going to pay now or you're going to pay later. You're going to end up missing work. You're going to end up missing things that are very important, and you don't want that. So healing the gut is super important, and it's not just about food, although that is part of it. We also have to address stress. Let's do a little bit of supplementation. And this, of course, is along with all the other things that we already know, like drinking enough water, quality water, and things like that. So it doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be intentional, and it does have to happen. And I will tell you, I have had a lot of success with people that have come to me through my program. I have a 3-day detox that is super helpful, and it has gentle foods, and you can get that for free. I will put that in the description below, and it's a great way to sign up for my newsletter. My newsletter has links where I purchase things, my favorite things. It has information to help you with the deeper information of true health. Almost always has a wonderful recipe. And then also I have my 7-day reboot. I recommend doing the 3-day detox first and then the 7-day reboot, which are healthy, nutritious foods that is complete with a grocery list, so it just makes it easy. And I've had several people say, I did your 7-day reboot, I loved it so much. I just keep it going because it's easy, I know what I'm doing, I already have my grocery list, and easy to prep and prepare. They also felt a big difference. They didn't feel near as inflamed, helped to support digestion, and has helped many lose weight. The other thing that I have, which I haven't talked much about this, I have an anxiety program. It's very inexpensive. I think it's $59, and you can just go click and buy. And that anxiety program takes you through everything, not just anxiety, fear, panic. It is a mind, body, soul approach to healing, and it covers spiritual, physical, nutritional, hydration. So you can just go on my website, entirehealing.com. You can click the anxiety program, sign up, and it is a 5-week course. I am not involved in that anymore. I used to be, but I'm not involved in that anymore. And it's self-paced, so you can go through it as fast or as slow. You can watch it as many times as you want. I would love to know what symptoms you're having, what difficulties are you having, or what are some of the things that you have done to heal and give significant noticeable difference. I love it when you guys have commented those things. I have people putting so many things on there because it's helping the community, and that's what we're building here. We're building a community of people that can come to this platform and they can learn and grow and heal, not just from me, but also from you. I will put all these links in the description below. I thank you so much for being here. So much more to come, so please hang tight and hang out with me. We've got an interview with Dr. Ben Edwards. I cannot wait to get that out to you. So many other things, and this is All Things Health. I'm not all about one thing, just all things health. You guys have a great day.